fact, I'm going to teach you two. This is the first one. It's done for not more than 11 minutes. Never push it for more than 11 minutes, there's no need. And you can start with 3 minutes and build up a minute a day or a couple of minutes a day. So you take your right hand and you bring it into this, and you bring your left hand round the right hand this way, and you make like a gunshot through the V of your thumbs. And you look through this, and you inhale deep, about 5 seconds. You exhale for 5 seconds. And you hold the breath out for 15 seconds. Inhale deep. Exhale. Hold the breath out. Navel is back in towards the spine. You're empty. Inhale deep. Exhale. Hold out. Straight arms, straight spine, long neck. So the only trick you need to develop with this meditation is that you need to count off the 15 seconds, 5 seconds inhale, 5 seconds exhale, 15 seconds hold the breath out. And you do that, like I say, for 11 minutes, come to the end, inhale deep, hold the breath, exhale, and do your 3 satnams to tune out.